Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix an error occurred in Facebook.services, and the error you can see is close this app now. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're seeing the error, fix an error occurred in com.facebook.com or facebook.services, close this app now, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to make sure that your internal storage should be at least 20 to 25% free. If it is full of storage, at that time also you can see this type of problem. First, you have to free up 25 to 20% of your storage. After freeing up your storage, then long press on your Facebook app, click on app info. Once tap on force stop, then tap on OK. After that, you will see your storage and cache. Just tap on that. Once tap on clear cache, then go back, open the Play Store, then search for Facebook. If there is any update pending for your Facebook app, just update it from here. After updating, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix an error occurred in com.facebook.services. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.